Hi everyone! Today let's make a kitchen sign using this pizza board, these stencils, some black and white paint, and a couple different paint brushes. Now let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is figure out exactly where you want your different stencils. Now you're ready to start filling in the letters with the paint. When you get to the letters that have little pieces in the center, use a Q-tip to hold them in place so you can paint around it. Okay, we have finished filling in all the letters we're going to do white. Now let's grab the black so we can do the word out. Now our paint has dried, let's grab a marker and trace around the letters just to make it stand out a little more. Now that it looks like this, let's put a few dots between the two phrases. Now if you'd like, you can go through and take the foam brush and dab it in a little bit of paint all over the edges so it looks like it's dusted in flour. Now that we've finished all this side, let's set it aside and let it dry. Now let's start on this side. Let's grab the white paint for the hat and the letters. Now we have all the things white. Let's grab the black for the word in. As you can see, I am taking the same marker and tracing around everything on this side also. Now that it looks like this, all we have left is to give this side the same flour dusting look. And now you can see that we're done. I hope you had fun. I'll see you next time. Bye.